Taking Simon's question and turning it round slightly, he was asking about it just being that you can get away from all your devices and distractions if you're in the bath or the shower or whatever. Is there, do you think, is part of what I understand to be a growing mental health problem attributable to the pervasive nature of technology, the number of devices, the fact that everyone's always face down on a mobile phone these days?
Yeah, so there is a growing evidence base. Yeah, again, it's difficult because it's one of these multifactorial things, but I think I spoke recently to an amazing man who's been a real flag bearer for mental health for many years, a guy called Lord Layard. I had the opportunity to ask him a few questions the other day, and he said definitively that the evidence base to show the impact on poor mental health with particularly social media is very strong. And he would advocate, he was saying, if there was one thing I could do, if I could have a magic wand, he would say no phones in school and no phones or social media for anyone under the age of 16. And actually, those rules sound quite simple, actually. But I think, I'm not sure, you'd have public outcry, wouldn't you, with the kids? But I think it is very clear now that these things are having a negative impact on people's mental health.
Yes, I suspect quite a few parents would be fine with the idea, but they'd have trouble enforcing it with their children. And of course, the peer pressure would probably induce other mental health problems between those who do use social media and those who don't.
I think that's why it would have to be a government-led top-down saying no one. And because that is the problem, because there are some, I've spoken to quite a few mums and dads who said that they really, they hate these phones and they can see the negative impact, but the stress they can't actually enforce it because it just is so unfair if other kids have got these things.